So here's our first look here at Kitch-Iti-Kipi. Wow. Look at that. And that's why you come here. Look at the fish. You can see the fish. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the Upper Peninsula of Michigan. Today we're just outside of Manistee, Michigan, in a place called Kitch-Iti-Kipi, or I think it's Big Spring. Kitch-Iti-Kipi. It's a fun one to say. Kitch-Iti-Kipi. I've been working on that in the car, and I'm getting it right, I think. Tell me in the comments if I'm getting it wrong. This should be a pretty short little trip here from the parking lot. We just go down this trail here, and it should be a short walk to the big spring. And it's not just any big spring. Hi, Micah. Had a little nap there in the car. They locked the car. So it should just be a short little walk here, but this isn't any old spring. This is a big spring and a special spring, and I'm gonna leave it to you to wait to show you what it's really gonna look like here. So let's go ahead and start walking. I think I can actually see the water from here. So if you've never been up to the Upper Peninsula of Michigan, it's very Canada-like. Very nice. So you should come up here. I think one thing we've noticed here in Michigan, I haven't noticed in any of the other states that we've been to, they're charging like a day passes to these state parks. So yesterday we paid $11 to go to a couple of state parks, and then today we paid another $11. So I think we could have gotten a week-long pass probably for 20 bucks or whatever it was. So look into that. We didn't really realize what was going on. Okay, so no fishing, nothing, take nothing but pictures, leave nothing but footprints. Yep, no fishing, no swimming, nothing. So here's our first look here at Kitch-Iti-Kipi. Wow. Look at that. And that's why you come here. Look at the fish. You can see the fish.
That's so cool.
Wow.
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 It looks like a pool. Like, I don't know how to describe it.
Look at the big fish over there. You could see all the fish all the way down. Oh, we got to get closer. The video is not showing quite how awesome this is.
Can you get on that thing when it comes back?
Yeah, it's free to ride. It just goes back and forth. So we just gotta wait for it to come back for us. This forest is actually kind of cool too here.
Yeah.
I don't know if the spring has anything to do with this forest area. It just looks a little
friendly.
Yeah, it just looks a little unique. So wow.
So cool. This is almost as clear as Deep say.
I think this might be clearer than we'd say, to be honest. And we did see fish like this, but not quite this far out. Okay, so we're gonna wait for the dock to come back so we can ride, and then we'll be back with you here in a second. Okay, we're still waiting for the dock, but we got up here to the edge. We can look down now and you can see all the fish swimming through there. Wow. And if you look somewhere about right here, you can actually see, and even all down here where it's soft, all the sand start billowing up, like all the water. That's where all the water is coming up through the spring.
You think it would make it like dusty, but it doesn't.
Yeah, it kind of settles pretty quick down there. Wow. And you can see every fish in there. I see like 3 over here. It's like 3 right here. So there's 1 right there. Right there, I think. Wow. And I can see fish right out here. So it looks like the dock's on its way back. So I'll take a quick break and then get back on the dock here and then show you from above. Okay, one of the weird things about this is powered by the people who are riding it, and a worker is not on here, so we just do whatever we want to do, I guess. So we've got this area here where you can look into the water. So kind of find a spot here. And look straight down in. See the fish. And then we also can look out and around. I don't know when they're gonna let us leave, but man, look how big that fish is. It's like some type of trout.
Oh, look at the fishies.
So, some fun facts I know about this is, I think it says, I don't have my, nope, they're closing us up. Oh, we're operating the raft. Oh no. Okay, so some of the facts I know is, so I think this is about 70 feet wide by about 45 feet, I think they said, across. And then, there we're going. And then I think they said about 45,000, or no, 10,000 gallons of water every day comes through here.
It's 45 degrees Fahrenheit year round.
45 degrees Fahrenheit year round. Oh, there we go. How deep is it? It's 45 feet deep. As deep as the trees bordering the spring call it. It's Michigan's largest natural spring. Spring flows at a rate of more than 10,000 gallons a minute. The water temperature 45 degrees Fahrenheit year round. Yep, here you can see the spring coming up through.
Good job.
Fish most commonly seen in the pool are lake trout, brown trout, and brook trout. Yellow perch and other species are spotted in the pool from time to time. Apparently there's supposed to be a smell of sulfur, but I don't smell it. Wow. Look at all those fish. Wow, let's go this way a little bit. So cool. Every direction. So clear. What do you think? Is this as clear as Kitch-Iti-Kipi?
It's probably clearer.
I would say so. But Kitch-Iti-Kipi is a little extra. So we're referencing Kitch-Iti-Kipi National Park in Croatia. We went to. So if you're interested in clear water places like this, look at that video. Kitch-Iti-Kipi, we did a few of them. to show you the whole thing because it's so cool. Water about as clear as this, but with lots of waterfalls, and there's a whole lot more of the water, that's for sure. But this is pretty unique. And you can see there's the wheel that operates. So we just have to keep spinning that to keep it moving. The fish seem to like to follow us under here, don't they?
Yeah.
Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, at least 11 fish. Might be kind of a couple shadows there. So cool. Okay, so I'm gonna leave you guys with some more awesome views here with some nice music underneath. Was pretty awesome. Perfect little stop here. I think we were only out here for maybe 20 minutes. The little dock ride took what, 10-15 minutes of it. We really just came, stopped, waited to get on it, rode for about 15 minutes back and forth, and then got off. And that ride was just what we needed. So here's a little bit of a history here. It's labeled as Big Spring when the Europeans arrived by the Upper Great Lakes region. The word is said to have many meanings, including the great water, the blue sky I see, and the roaring, bubbling spring. Lover's name Kitch-Iti-Kipi has drawn curious sight seekers for decades. Let's see. Anything else here interesting?
Thank you so much. You're welcome.
Here's the spring. So people are coming here since the 30s. And yeah, it looks like this has been part of it since then.
Yeah.
That's kind of cool.
Excuse me.
Awesome. So we're gonna go ahead and start heading out. Protected wetlands. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed this little stop. I know this is kind of a quicker stop than we normally do, but it is what it is. It was something we needed to see. It was on our way to where we're going, and it was the clearest water I could find.
Awesome.
So more clear water ahead, I'm sure, and other videos if you like that. Like I said before, if you like clear water, look at Croatia and our videos. Look for Plitvice National Park. It's just like that, except waterfalls and much more water. So we'll wrap the video up here. If you liked it, hit the like button now. Comment if you made it this far. Comment, tell me what you thought of the Kitch-Iti-Kipi, or my ability to say Kitch-Iti-Kipi. Or if I'm saying it wrong, let me know that too. And subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Until then, we'll see you in the next one.